Tuesday morning. It's like 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm super tired, don't judge me. Yeah, I'm about to go pick up some powder coating for the S13. Things like power brace, my drift knuckles, and oh, I'm really excited for my intake manifold and my valve cover. You guys are gonna like that. Stay tuned and let's go get it. Tell you guys is while I'm waiting for my car to warm up is we have a lot of content for this S13. I'm talking about from a front angle kit, from a rear GK Tech angle kit, from a R32 LSD. We're gonna re-pull the 1UZ FE with some nice Willwood Hydro e-brake. We're gonna flock the dash. We're gonna rebuild this interior because we obviously wanted a comfort car as well as a drift car. Quick release, everything. And a lot of the stuff we're gonna do how-tos, and a lot of stuff we're not, because a lot of the stuff kind of self-explanatory. But when we re-pull the 1UZ FE, I know there's no videos out there that really explain how to do it. I'm gonna try to go in as much detail as I possibly can, from where I bought the adapter plate for the KA or the 300ZX or 370 tranny, how I did the wiring. And right now it's kind of janky, but it runs. But I meant janky as in the sense that it's just not ran really well. Everything is wired up correctly, but it's a mess. It's a hot mess. I did it in 2 days. Yeah, man, I mean, everything that we have on here is gonna blow, I promise. Car's warmed up, let's go to powder coating. I really need to stop drinking these. Sorry, Sandy. Thank you. Isn't she gorgeous? Use.
What? Load on the Drake. What I like? Blue for the rebel guy. This the matrix. The crosses all on my body. Watch for second. I'm having gallery living. No talking. We smashing. Streets one the classic. Ain't none of this average. Sniper. I'm sniping the bitch. I'm assassin. I pop it and pipe the bitch up for some action. I'm on the guy. She get whoa. I'm on my way, I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, I find you, I give you all you're needing. I know what you like. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body.
Alright guys, just left San Diego powder coating, and I'm not gonna tell you guys much about it now, but just know that the pieces are beautiful. I cannot wait to show you guys. I cannot wait to put them on. This S13 build is gonna be so dope. You know what I mean? But hey, gotta go make that money, gotta go to work. I'll catch you guys later. You know what I'm saying? When we reveal everything that we just got, and then we'll do a video of all the parts that we got for the S13 build. I'm talking about everything, to every bolt, to everything. Tell you where we got it from, tell you how much they are, and then you guys follow us so you can build it with us. But for now, it's Trav the Cool Dad with another Boosted by 3 video. Don't forget to follow our main Instagram at _boostedby3. And till then, catch you in the next one. Peace.
I need you in the